guys, purse nurse here. You're gonna hear me kind of moving around. So we're doing something a little different today. I got a new purse in the mail today. It was a complete surprise. My camera operator has already gone to bed for the evening, so I'm gonna open this box up for you guys here under the camera. So let's go ahead and see what it is. Okay. All right, so Louis Vuitton sends all of their purses in this awesome box. So open it up and see. So, fresh out of the package here. Of course, we have our receipt. Let me move this box out of the way. So I'll put that there. Oh, I hope you guys can see everything. So here is, of course, my receipt. And this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, and it should be in reverse. So we'll look and see what's in there. I think that's what it is. He had to clue me in. It was supposed to be a really big surprise, but then the shipping got weird, so he had to tell me. So let's see. Oh, neat. Ready, guys? It's one of the slide boxes. Yay! And it is in reverse. Okay. So here it is. Oh, I just knocked my tape measure down. Ah, all right. So here we have it. Of course, we have our dust ruffle, which you guys know that always protects our bags. Let me just move that over. Okay, and then here it is. I hope you guys can all see this. We'll see how this turns out. I'm going in a one shot, hoping I'm hitting everything. So the Pochette Métis, and then of course it's in the reverse monogram. So you have the reverse monogram all across the front into the back, and then on the bottom you go back into the traditional canvas, and then the accents in between are also reverse. Isn't it fabulous? So you guys are seeing it as fresh as I am. So you got the handle on top, you have the connections here on the side for the strap. Go to the other side, also on this side. So, and then of course we have our latch. So the first time that I saw this bag was actually at a store, and we won't get into that story. I'll talk about that in a little bit. But I was like, how do I get it open? I can't get it open. It's stuck. It's really, really stuck. See, we still got all the plastic and everything on here. What you do is you squeeze them together and then pull forward. There we go. Well, my camera person was supposed to be in bed, but she's obviously not. So, and then we're gonna open the bag up, and we have the reverse monogram on top. So reverse monogram, and then inside you have a black, like micro, oh, that feels really good. Actually, I'm gonna have to look up what that is. I think that's microfiber. That's what it feels like. And then we have the Louis Vuitton Paris symbol, and then we have a strap, which once they're both sides, it looks like going this way. So see the inside of the bag. So I'm gonna sit this down for just a second. So. Yeah, I told him already you were supposed to be in bed. All right, so here is something super important. The Pochette Métis should only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 store. And then we went in to look at it, and something was really, really wrong. So I'll post a video in the next couple of days talking about the whole experience. So anyhow, the strap, of course, you hook it on here. Oops. So strap there. Oh my God, I love this bag. So you guys are seeing this unedited, real time, having it like that. There it is. So I'll do a more in-depth video, everybody. I just wanted to show you guys this fantastic new bag that I got. Look for the update video, probably Saturday, I'm gonna say, because I'm supposed to get super cute and look fantastic that day. So we're gonna re-kink this together here, just like that, and voila. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, just a sneak peek at the Pochette Métis in reverse monogram. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys next time. If you like my video, click like, and if you want to subscribe to my channel to see more, I love it. Thank you. Bye.